guys, welcome. This is Stylebyejay and welcome to another vlog. So this vlog is purposely for my birthday. My birthday is in December 13th and I'm celebrating December 12th. So today I'm going out with my friend. We're going to check out my lovely picture there. Can you see that? Okay, that's by the way. So I'm going out with my friend to check some venues out for restaurants. I have been looking at a whole lot of restaurants. The ones in Dallas, I've seen a couple of restaurants in Dallas, but what they're asking for, the price is ridiculous. I've seen some that have said minimum of $10,000. Some have said $1,700 before gratuity and tax. So it's a lot of money. So we're going to check some at Irving in Las Colinas. We found one, so we're actually going in there to look at the place. So yeah, let's see what it looks like. You might be wondering what's on my teeth. I have the rubber bands now, so my teeth is moving so much, so now I have rubber bands to help it realign properly and faster. So that's what you're seeing. And yeah, so I'm going to take you along through the photo shoot and the dinner proper. So let me tell you how everything went. Sorry guys, my friend just called, she's downstairs. So yeah, we're leaving right now, so I'll catch you guys. I'll take you along and let's show you what we have. Catch you. All right guys, so I'm at the venue right now. Look at my dear friend who's been helping me for everything. Like what would I have done without her? And you see now a lot of my vlogs, so she doesn't need any introduction. So let me show you the environment for starters. I'm loving what I'm seeing here. Oh my goodness, the lighting. But let me show you. Hey, good morning guys. Today is Thursday, a day before my photo shoot. So I'm on my way to the post office. I need to send out some things and I'm going to the dry cleaners. I need to go get my dress for my photo shoot for tomorrow. It came in very creased, so I had to go get it steamed, so I'm going there to pick it up. So I just wanted to show you my OOTD for today. This morning, it's a quick run. I have this what's it called, this track from Chevy Clothing on Instagram. It's in Lagos, Nigeria, and I'm just wearing my Tommy Hilfiger flats, nothing too serious, and a plain black baseball cap, and of course my Apple Watch count my step. That's all I'm doing today. So it's pretty cold outside. I have my jacket and I have everything that I need. Yeah, so I'll catch you guys later. So tomorrow, like I said, will be my photo shoot. I can't wait for it. So peace. I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, so first one done. No, I've done two things. I'm done from the post office. I'm done. Let's pick up my dress. Can you see behind? It's right there. So the last thing, I'm going to Costco. I have an order that I placed. I'm going to pick it up. I'm excited. My day has been really fast and cold. Oh my goodness, my hands are a little bit ashy. Sorry. All right guys, talk to you. Bye. I'm at Costco now, so I'm just walking towards it to go pick up my I don't unboxing the word, but I ordered. Don't worry. I know you want to see. People like the book knows very well. Don't worry, you see it. Okay. Yeah, just a sneak peek of what they have here. Man, this OLED TV, man. Okay, so this is, I think they're having a sale right now. How much is this one going for? Okay, I think this one's going for $3,499. can, if you guys want me to do a com shop with me at Costco, like for the guys who've never been to Costco or doesn't know what the warehouse looks like, I can take you around because I need to do grocery store shopping as well, so I can take you guys around. Just let me know in the comment section so I could come back here and do a com shop with me at Costco. Okay, so I'll see you. It's a very massive place. I can see from the back. See, it's very massive. It's big, like. Yeah, this is what I came to pick up. I got a sunglasses, but a prescription sunglasses. I ordered it about I think about a week ago. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. And oh wow, shall let me open it for you. It's so hard to open. And yeah, that's what it looks like here. So it has a little bit of prescription, so because my optician said my left eye has a bit of prescription, so but it's not enough to give me a glasses, so you'd rather put a prescription on the sunglasses for me to help me on the computer and, you know, like general when it's sunny and stuff. So this is what it looks like. Nice. I like it. Yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, I'm back home just in time. Okay, so let me give you a sneak peek of what my clothes look like. Hold on. Okay. So, that's the first one right there. For the green one, you can't really appreciate it right now. It really can until I wear it. Okay, like I said, I just got it from the dry cleaners. I got it dry clean. Hold on, let me show you together. All right, so yeah, so that's the green one there, and that's the red one. Okay, right, I'll tell you where I got them from. The green one was from Saks Fifth Avenue or Bloomingdale's. I will double check on that. The red one was from Shein, and the blazer dress is from Misguided. And let me show you the shoe. Sorry, my house is a little bit scattered right now. Please don't be offended. Let me unbox it properly. The way it's done. Okay, so yeah, do like this. Okay, so yeah, this is the shoes here that I'm using. I love. There you go. So that's the shoe I'm wearing. I love it. I love the heel height, so it's just perfect. These was from Bloomingdale's. I think the original price for this shoe was about $9.90. It was quite expensive, but I think I got it like, you know, fairly affordable. So anyway, so that's that one there. And let me show you this one. This is the one I'm wearing for the red dress. The red dress doesn't need a shoe because it's really long. Like even if I wear 6-inch, it still will not show, but I'm just gonna wear it for wearing sake. I got this from Macy's, and yeah, I think that's about it on the shoes. And for this dress, because I did not want to have any you know, shockers, I got it in 2 sizes, so I have another size available for sale. So if you want to pick it up, it's a US size 10. So if you want to pick it up, just let me know. This dress, camera is not doing it justice. It's not at all, but when I wear it, you see what it looks like. Yes, I have the other one for sale here, so if you want it, just let me know. If not, I'll take it back. Yeah, so that's it. One more skirt coming. I'll put a picture of this, what the skirt looks like, so hopefully it comes, and yeah, we'll take it out. Good morning, and it's the day of my shoot. So you can see from my background, I got everything all set. My dresses are hung right there. I've got my hair. I just, roll this, and I have one I want to roll as well. So I want to have like options so I don't get stuck. Yeah, I'm excited. I hope the shoot goes as planned, as seamless as I really would want it to. And my friend also, who's the makeup artist, will be here say for 11. And yeah, so the person who's doing my photo shoot, she's in Mansfield, and she's a professional, like the studio, proper studio photography. So yeah, your girl wants to be glammed up for today, and yeah. Okay, Alexa, continue. Ooh, Alexa. So hey guys, so yeah, my makeup artist is here. Now the setup has started. I'm so excited. I can't wait to sit on that chair. It's been a long time. I had a face beat, so let me show you what the setup is like. That's her stuff. She's got so many stuff. Hey God. Yeah, you can see everything. Okay, so the next time you're gonna see me, I'll be sitting right on the chair. She's gonna beat my face, look like a princess. Talk to you guys later. Bye.